The increasing scale, complexity, and cognitive burden of managing data hinder the agile delivery of clinical intelligence and decision-making at point of care. Emerging technologies like Power BI have democratized AI and machine learning to support the medical practitioners in delivering the highest quality of care. Manga Solutions is committed to driving the growth of healthcare and making a difference. We do not offer any medical advice. Instead, we support translating resource-intensive data into practical and meaningful visualizations, resulting in improved operational efficiencies and effective clinical data management. In this demo, we will showcase how to leverage Power BI's Key Influences visual using standardized and anonymized patients' data. The Key Influences visual can serve as a useful screening tool, especially where rapid testing is unavailable. It allows for quicker delivery of insights on early detection and treatment. For instance, it predicts the likelihood of SARS-CoV-2 infection among the suspected cases, or admission to the general ward, semi-intensive, or ICU among the confirmed cases. The dataset features 105 clinical measurements from various laboratory test results. Behind the scenes, this visual runs on an automated AI process that calculates the key influences for categorical analysis, numerical analysis, or data segmentation. Each page tests these models against a set of factors, scores it statistically, and sorts it based on its influence. Parameters can be filtered depending on the clinical context. For this scenario, we only extracted a relevant feature set from the lab blood tests, routinely collected on presentation to rapidly predict the prevalence of SARS-CoV-2 infection amongst all cohorts. Findings suggest that the likelihood of a positive outcome increases by more than 3 times for every unit of standard deviation when variables like platelets are negative 0.47 or less, or monocytes are more than 0.54. In cases where there is no linear relationship, a bar chart is produced using a supervised binning to explain each factor's influence. Variables can also be prioritized based on its sample size. The dark grey border around the circles represents an approximate percentage as per its absolute count, or the count relative to the top influencer. Like in this case, MCHC tops the list by relative count despite having the lowest influencing score. Another feature of the Key Influences visual is its data segmentation capability, which explains the factors that define a particular cluster. From another perspective, we can also look at the linear relationship between each variable and SARS-CoV-2 positive when all parameters are included. When a patient's pH level increases, the chance of being positive increases by 77 times for every unit of standard deviation. The scatter plot on the right highlights the relationship between the likelihood of a positive exam result in percent against the pH value. Output suggests that a high pH value is more likely to correspond with SARS-CoV-2 positive. In summary, the COVID-19 disruption accelerated the adoption of AI and machine learning at an unprecedented pace. Embracing data analytics and visualization is only the first step towards achieving a transformative change in the healthcare sector. Manga Solutions is here to support you in solving one of the most challenging global issues and anticipating any future threats. Manga Solutions. Start your data transformation journey today.